Hi everybody and welcome to this Valentine special hand lettering tutorial. And what I'm going to draw for you is the word love. And for the setup I am using an HB graphite pencil. Now this is very important because this is not an easy one to do. So should you make a mistake, you can always correct it with the eraser. And the fun part for this one is the letter L, and its leg is going up, and on the tip of that leg there is the letter O. Now this is not only the letter O, but it is also like a ring. And us girls love to get presents for Valentine, or maybe you're a boy watching. Note that us girls love to get rings or any present. Now for the letter V, I am using a heart form. The bottom part of the heart, of course, is like a V, so this is a very easy conclusion. And just behind the letter O and the V, there is the letter E. Now watch carefully. The inside of the letter E also has the shape of a heart. Now I'm drawing in the sides of my letters because I want to give them that special 3D effect. So take close attention to the sides that you want to put in. And I will also put in a link for you in the description below, so you can watch the print and maybe this can help you when you want to draw along this Valentine love word. Once you are happy with the lines that you've drawn in with the graphite pencil, you can take a Staedtler fineliner, and the Staedtler fineliner is waterproof, so water does not affect these lines, and you can just go over the lines that you are happy with, and you will be sure that these lines will stay in place. This is my Koh-i-Noor pencil eraser. I use that eraser to get rid of all my little helper lines, but of course you can use any eraser you have. Now for coloring in this Valentine love, I am using a brush pencil which is based on water. So later on I can work the colors out with the water brush. I use the color blue for all the sides of my letters. Here I forgot a line, so I put that in. And also this side I put in with the blue brush pencil. Now for the heart itself, which is the letter V, of course I am using red. I put in a little bit of red and then I take my water brush. I simply place in a little bit of water and you can see that it dissolves the ink a little bit and you get that nice gradation. Now what I also want to do is put in some shadows just next to the letters. I simply pick up a little bit of pigment from my brush pencil and then take out a little bit of blue pigment and place this around the letters. Now for that special 3D effect, I pick up the graphite pencil again and I draw the shadow of the heart just underneath the heart, and I use my finger to blur out the graphite. And to get some extra 3D effect, I also put in a little bit of green. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. I wish you all the luck on your drawing, and also I wish you a very happy Valentine.